Hello viewers, I am Zahoor Islam and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Zahoor Islam Official. So after a long times, we are going to discuss about the friability test. So friability can be defined as it is the phenomena where the surface of the tablet is damaged or shown a site of damage due to mechanical shock. So sometime you will have seen that the surface of the tablet can be damaged, and this damage is usually occur due to some mechanical shock. That is called friability. The main purpose of friability is to evaluate the ability of the tablet to withstand the breaking during transportation and handlings. So in there are different official and non-official tests which are usually performed for the solid, liquid and semi-solid dosage form. So friability tests, they are usually performed for tablets. So in tablets, as usually, we are going to check the mechanical strength of the tablet, that its breaking tendency, its mechanical tendency during transportation and handling, to evaluate the ability of the tablet to withstand the breakage during transportation and handlings. And friability testing methods, which is usually employed to determine the physical strength of the uncoated tablets. So as usually, the friability test as usually performed, this is actually the physical test which is usually performed per solid dosage form. For example, for uncoated tablet, it means that this test is usually performed for uncoated tablets which are upon exposure to mechanical shock and attritions. So in simple words, we can say that friability test, it tells us how much the mechanical stress tablet they are able to withstand during their manufacturing and distributions and handling by the customers. So it means that, for example, during transportations or during distributions or during manufacturings, let's suppose you are going to shift the medicines or the tablets from one area to another area, and your tablet is able to show some resistance against that mechanical stress. So it means that the surface erosion by certain mechanical shock and loss of material from the intact tablet. So I'm going to discuss the basic procedure. What are the different equipments which are used in friability test? So look at this one. This is called um, Roche Friabilator. So Roche Friabilators tester is the most commonly used for determining the percentage friability of the tablets. Now, this equipment is used in Friabilator, which is the physical test usually performed for the tablets. That is called Roche Friabilator. And the simple procedure is that, so first of all, you will have to take 20 tablets and take initial weight of it and then put into the Friabilators. Then you will have to rotate the drum at 25 revolution per minute or 100 revolution per minute for 4 minutes. During this, the tablet get drops on plastics from 6 inches and it will pass through mechanical shocks. After 4 minutes, you will calculate the final weight of the tablet, that are percentage probability, and the percentage probability can be calculated by the following formula. This is very simple. Percentage probability W1 weight, this is the initial weight before this test, and this one is W2. So W1 is the weight of the tablet before testing and W2 is the weight of the tablet after testing. That will be divided by the weight of the tablet before testing multiplied by 100. So ultimately, you will check the percentage probability, that how much quantity of tablets or powder they are lost. So this is very simple and easy to understand. So I'm sure